Hello, my name is Siddharth Paneer. I am a founder of GenH. At GenH, we are trying to solve the problem of electrification of non-powered dams that can electrify the non-powered dams and canal heads in the US and around the world. The technology is very simple. We have a modular system that can move should the conditions change, in which M number of parts can give you N different configurations, and it can be deployed without construction. So you're not sitting on the same place and not becoming a sitting duck should the climate change. You have the upper reservoir of a dam and you have the lower reservoir of the dam. There's a siphon that dips into the upper reservoir, pulls the water above the dam without touching it, brings it down to a turbine module that includes the turbine, which is connected to a generator, which is where the electricity is generated. That electricity can then be put on the grid, sold on the grid, utilizing the PURPA law of 1978 and the Hydro Act of 2013, or it could be used on site for things like Bitcoin mining or for EV charging. The actual impact that we are looking at with the adaptive hydro is an attempt to displace fossil fuels from entrenched market situations. And where that goes into is you have distributed electric grids around this country, around the developed world. A lot of these non-powered dams on which the adaptive hydro would be deployed is also within or close to population centers and urban regions where the electricity can be provided in a clean, cheap, and continuous fashion. There have been other companies in the past that have tried to electrify the non-powered dam space. The difference really lies in the fact that we don't use any construction. If you use construction, you have to do permitting. If you're doing permitting, you have to do pre-development, which comes with very expensive debt. We have been getting interest from organizations in Massachusetts and California, Arizona even. We are currently trying to tie up commercial pilots in New England. We're planning to help them out by deploying the adaptive hydro on their canal heads. And the idea there is we can sell the electricity to the local utilities and do a revenue share with these organizations, which brings them extra money for their operations and maintenance that they did not have previously. Money that they can use for not only for upkeep of the existing dams, but also for repair and additional infrastructure development that would not have happened before. The one thing that I've been proud about has been the ASME ISHOW award. Outside of that, we have been recognized by NASDAQ. We have been awarded the Edison Innovation Awards. We were in the runner-up for the Eddies Awards. We know what the next 10 years need to look like. Changing the architecture of the energy industrial complex that currently exists in the human society, developing solutions not only for the electrification of non-powered dams, but taking a step further into hydrokinetic and taking a step further into wave power in a way that doesn't rely on fossil fuels, that doesn't generate immense amounts of carbon and puts it into the atmosphere. And that is why you should invest in our company. You're investing in the future of this world.